respected all teachers and my colleagues and your students. I happily welcome to my lovely newcomer students. I am Nancy Panam, lecturer in economics. Welcome ceremony ni ho. Ame ke kona ute induction program. Jeno ki kona mane answer dibo, ame mane kamu ko silmu na.